Hello guys! Today I have 20 euro session. Okay? Hola! Mais um dia de luta. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Okay? Eu tenho o número 14 e 15. Okay? Outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket. It's a matching numbers. And if we uncover the symbol lightning bolt, we win the prize shown. Double the prize shown. And if we uncover the symbol star, we win all prizes. Okay, the odds of winning are 1 in 3.30. I didn't buy according to the odds. Okay. Okay. And use this coin for a change. M2M. Grab and Gumball give this to me. American channel, random red. Okay, so we're looking for 25, 49, 16, 38, 64, 70, 56. I read the number in Portuguese, guys, okay? 48, 24, 11, 41, 33, 66, 42, now 53, 31, 61, 43, 27, 32, now 57, now 19, 58, 38. Ay! I found a match, guys! Woohoo! 38, guys. 37, 34, 21, 67. I found 38, guys. Y 45. Only one match. Maybe it's jackpot. Come on, jackpot. Ay, 20 euro. Very nice. Okay, 20 euro, guys. Nice. Only one match, right? Okay, so I got 20 euro in this ticket. 38, 20. It's good. Okay, maybe it's back to back, guys. Let's hope. We're looking for 44, 37, 40, 51, 29, 62, 28, 12, 69, 26, 22, 45, 23, 11. High numbers, guys. 21, now 68, 41. Come on, symbol. 14, 56, now 35, 31, 63, now 60s, 68, my favorite number. Now 42, now 61, no 60s, 46, now 33, nada, 58, nada. Our last hope. 13, nada. 13, nada. But I have 20 euro win.